Are you looking to get a lot better with money but aren't sure where to start? Are you worried that you'll have to give up the lifestyle you love if you want to get ahead? Hi, I'm Max Phelps from Golden Eggs, where we're on a mission to help people stop worrying about money and get on the path to financial freedom. Now, in our 20s, my wife and I found that the more we earned, the more we spent. Luckily, when I was 32, we found a way to control our spending, started investing in property, and by age 46 had the choice between working or not. Instead of retiring, I decided to dedicate the rest of my life to coaching others to get to the same position by the same age or even younger. We're now offering a free 1.5-hour workshop to help share what we know. Your head's probably spinning with questions now like, how much information are we really going to give away? Why should you trust what I say? What's in it for him or me? Well, I run a finance business, but I love to educate people on the way, which takes up too much of my time in one-to-one meetings. My book and the workshops help me make better use of my time and allow me to help more people on the way. Our goal is to find people we can work with for the next 20 or 30 years, and some people just don't fit. The workshops help us choose which people to work with so that my team and I can have more fun. In order to help you close the gap between what you know and what you need to know and to learn from some of my mistakes, come along for a free trial and figure out if Golden Eggs is the kind of business you want to work with. Don't worry, we won't try and sell you some overpriced off-the-plan properties or give you the hard sell for some get-rich-quick scheme. There's enough of them out there already, and they don't sit well with our values and our mission of stopping people worrying about money and our values of being genuine. So, to learn more about how to stop worrying about money and getting on the path to financial freedom, simply click the Book Now link and prepare your list of questions for us. For the next 20 people to click the Book Now link, firstly, you'll get to attend a free live workshop via Zoom where I'll help answer your questions and bring our philosophy to life for you. Second, we'll donate a week's education to children in Kenya. And thirdly, attendees will get a free hard copy of my Amazon best-selling book, Getting Your Money Stuff Together, as my grandson calls it. Yours to keep, read, and pass on to others. Now, thanks for watching. I'm Max Phelps from Golden Eggs, and remember, always, be genuine, have fun, and stay curious.